Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to add a profile picture on Snapchat app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to add a profile picture on Snapchat allows you to personalize your account and make it easily recognizable to your friends and followers. Adding a profile picture helps others identify you on the platform and can make your interaction more memorable. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, go ahead and open Snapchat app on your device. Well, so now open your profile at the corner of each tab. Okay, and then click my public profile here. And select edit profile to add a new profile photo. Okay, so now click camera icon and then you can select the picture or photo that you will set it as your profile picture. After that, click save change. Okay, so now your profile picture is successfully added. Well, that's the tutorial on how to add a profile picture on Snapchat app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.